Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
Good morning, please be seated. Thank you. Watch your seat over there. I'm going to hand this to you so you look it over and understand it's a sign.
All right. All right, are we on? All right. Good morning. So this is the Orting Municipal Court. I'm going to start with the arraignment calendar, which is the 8:45 calendar. Please answer if your name is called. Let me see. All right, Dondre Blackwell. Andy Campo Payne. Derek Garrett.
Campo is online.
All right. Derek Garrett. Mandel Johnson. Jamie Johnston. Good morning. Julian Palacio Romero. Benjamin Roberts.
And I believe she's online.
Okay, I see you, Mr. Roberts. Good morning. Dylan Stiles. Good morning. And Stetson Torres.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. And then we have Ginny Buford. That's an add-on. All right. This is the arraignment calendar for the city of Orting. That means you are charged with a criminal offense and you have the following rights. You're presumed innocent of any charge unless that charge is proven beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to a speedy trial. If you're held in jail before trial, you must be brought to trial within 60 days of your commencement date. If you're released from jail before trial, you must be brought to trial within 90 days of your commencement date. You have a constitutional right to a jury trial unless you specifically give up that right by signing a jury trial waiver. You have the right to see, hear, and question all witnesses who testify against you. You have the right to call witnesses on your own behalf. You may have the court subpoena those witnesses to appear and testify at no prior expense to you. You have the right to testify on your own behalf. You also have the right to remain silent and not give any testimony or present any evidence in your defense. Your silence cannot be used against you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney of your own choosing at arraignment and at all proceedings. If after you're screened and determined you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. Even though you do not have an attorney at arraignment, you do not waive your right to have an attorney at any later proceeding. For those of you who do have questions, I have Mr. Rusnick over here, and he is here as our standby counsel today. If you feel you cannot have a fair trial because of the bias or prejudice of a particular judge, you have the right to ask for a different judge within 10 days of assignment to that judge. You're entitled to only one change of judge. You have the right of appeal from any judgment of guilty entered by this court. To begin the appeal, you must file a written notice of appeal in this court within 30 days of the judgment. If you plead guilty, you give up or waive all of your rights except for the right to be represented by an attorney. If you're not a citizen of the United States, a plea of guilty to an offense punishable as a crime of state law may be grounds for deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States, or denial of naturalization pursuant to the laws of the United States. All right, Mr. Wallace, do we have any out of order?
Your Honor, we could start with Mr. Campo.
All right. Mr. Campo Payne, can you hear me?
And he is represented by Mr. Twitchell.
I am present, Your Honor.
Good morning. And is that Mr. Twitchell that said that?
Yes.
All right, and I'm trying to see if your client who's on mute can hear me.
Andy, can you unmute?
Okay.
How's that?
Now I can hear you. Good morning.
Good morning.
I hear sirens. All right. And you are Andy Campo Payne?
Yes, sir.
And did you hear the rights as I read them to you?
Yes, sir.
Are there any rights you'd like to go over at this time?
No, sir.
All right. You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about August 19th, 2021, in Orting, Washington, that you committed the crime of driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs in violation of RCW 4661502. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal reading is hereby waived and probable cause is established based on the probable cause statement. Mr. Walls, anything regarding release?
Your Honor, Mr. Campo does have, I believe, 4 prior offenses. They are all outside 7. My understanding is he has already gotten into treatment and has ignition interlock installed. I would ask that conditions release include that he maintain his treatment, that his UAs, and maintain ignition interlock and a license if he's going to drive, as well as standard conditions.
And good morning, Your Honor. Butchell.
Good morning.
I concur with City. He would stipulate that enter a plea of not guilty. Also, there appears to be an infraction, improper lane use.
We'll track that.
Please track that. And Andy has installed the ignition interlock device already. He also is outpatient treatment program through social treatment opportunity program, which is subject to random UAs. So I agree with the conditions requested by the city and have no objection.
Thank you. Was bail posted in this?
I believe it's $1,000, Your Honor.
Was that bond or 1,000 cash?
Cash.
I believe
What's that?
cash.
Okay.
Cash.
And Mr. Twitchell, is your calendar available on October 5th?
It is, Your Honor.
All right, so this will be set for the 10 a.m. calendar on October 5th. So I'm going to release you and indicate that you're out on bail. Make all court appearances. The next one is going to be 10/5/2021 at 10 a.m. Have no violations, no alcohol or drugs during the pendency of this action. Do not drive without a valid license or insurance. Do not drive a motor vehicle without a functioning ignition interlock. And that continue in treatment. And with the random UAs required through the treatment.
And Your Honor, as noted, Mr. Campo does have the ignition interlock device installed in his personal vehicle.
I have actually a notice right here that he has it.
Thank you. He does drive company vehicles during company business. We'd ask that there be an exemption for those vehicles driven for employment purposes.
Mr. Walls?
Your Honor, I believe that DOL does allow that as an exemption as long as it's done during work hours as part of the job. And I'm not sure if they need to contact DOL to get that exemption as well. But I don't have an objection.
And Your Honor, it wouldn't be applicable with the DOL at this point, since Mr. Campo is validly licensed. He has not had his administrative hearing yet. Obviously, if he does not prevail with his administrative telephonic hearing, then he would apply for the exemption, work exemption at that point. But we just want to make sure it's okay with the court going forward until that may happen.
I put work vehicles are exempt while working and during work hours.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
So that is the order of the court. We will see you at 10 o'clock on 10/5.
Will that be by Blue Jeans or in person, Your Honor?
Could be.
Thank you.
I believe we're going to continue the hybrid court for a bit. All right, thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you, Mr. Walls. Andy, I'll give you a call.
All right. Anyone else?
Your Honor, we could take Stetson Torres, who I believe is online. Yes.
All right, Mr. Torres, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You're a little bit muted, so you might want to be a little closer to your microphone. All right.
And you're on two issues here. First, there is a warrant. No objection to quashing that.
Okay, so quashed.
Your Honor, this is a drive and spin third-degree charge. I do see he's actually cleared. It's a little unclear from DOL if he has a valid license. It's showing not licensed, but that a license has been issued. I believe he needs, and it says no fees, so I'm not sure exactly the status. But at this point, city is moving to amend this to no license on person, RCU 4620-017 at 139. There is a tracking no insurance, or there's a no insurance ticket that was associated with it that I think has been FDA'd. I'd ask to pull that.
All right. So, Mr. Torres, the city is moving to amend the criminal charge down to an infraction. Do you wish to plead committed to that infraction?
Your Honor, I wish to plead not guilty.
The criminal case is being moved to amended to an infraction. And the infraction is that no license on person at the time. So that means if you paid $139, this case would be closed.
Well, Your Honor, I would wish to motion for dismissal because I was actually currently living in the state of California. I've been a resident here since 2019, so the ticket came as a surprise to me. I don't know how it came about, but I can prove that I've been living down in California. I have time cards. I'm actually currently in a recovery program down in LA, and I've been here since 2019. And on the date of the infraction, I was down in LA, so I can get proof. I can provide proof of my time card. I can get a letter from the director of my program.
Hold on. What you're saying is you weren't up in the state of Washington at the time that the ticket was issued.
Yes, sir. That's exactly what I'm saying.
That was on August, March 22nd, 2021.
Sir.
All right.
So, Your Honor, I would still ask to amend it and then set it over for him to provide the proof that he wasn't.
Right. We're going to set this on a infraction calendar now because it's been amended to an infraction. And so that means we're going to set it on that calendar. I'll need you to provide proof that you were in California and that you were not up here in the state of Washington driving at that time. And then beware that somebody is apparently using your ID if it's not you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So we are going to set this over for 30 days, which is going to be at 1:30 p.m. on October 5th. Okay. And we should be able to still be doing it by the Blue Jeans app like you're doing right now.
Okay. So now, is it possible to go get my license reissued now that it's been?
Yeah, it's showing clear. It's unclear. Like, definitely contact DOL. It may be just you have to pay a fee, or it's a little unclear what's there, but it does show it's clear, and you can get reinstated.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, we will see you in a month, and hopefully you'll have that information to us. Okay.
Well, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. So you have that amended. You have that amended already. Did you amend it? It is the top one, 017. Right, Jamie Johnston. You. All right, and good morning. You're Jamie Johnston?
Yes.
And did you have the opportunity to review the Statement of Defendant's Rights at arraignment?
Yes.
And did you understand each and every right explained to you on this form?
Yes.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
No.
You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about August 27, 2021, in Orting, Washington, that you committed the crime of assault 4th degree, domestic violence. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal arraignments here by way of probable cause is established based on the probable cause statement. And Mr. Rusnick, I believe you already
That's correct, Your Honor.
represented in the other case?
Yes, I represent her on this one. They're already behind.
How did that happen? This is arraignment.
That's right. She retained me on this one privately.
Okay.
Retained on the other one as well.
All right, so you're retained on both of these?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I've been retained.
Now I understand.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, no, she's getting clean. She's been entered. She has met all the requirements for release. She's posted bond. She is on TAD. She's taken care of the affirmative steps she needed to meet the requirements for conditional release. So I'm not going to ask the court to do anything with that at this time. However, I know Mr. Johnson, the alleged victim, is here and would like to address the court regarding possibly modifying the NCO to a no hostile contact order. He is in the back of the courtroom. I'll weigh in on that after the court hears what he has.
Thank you. And you're Brian?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And what would you like to tell the court?
Well, essentially, Mr. Johnson, person all the time, has a tendency to violence when she drinks. Really like her to come home. So I asked the court to please order to allow her to go.
Here, if I can just supplement section. Front before court with Mr. Johnson. Basically, what he's also saying, I'm just paraphrasing a little bit, is that putting hands on is not her go-to conflict resolution mechanism. However, when she is consuming alcohol, it seems like the filters do go off, and that's when these things happen. I'm submitting that while these are certainly domestic violence cases, this is more of an alcohol problem than a domestic violence problem, and she's got the guardrails on now. She's on TAD. She won't be drinking. Johnson has pretty much told me that kind of behavior only occurs when alcohol's in it. That said, I'm going to ask the court reiterate what Mr. Johnson was asking for, hostile contact. He's going to treatment, taking care of what she's supposed to be doing on the monitor. There won't be any occurrences.
And Brian, were you the victim in the prior assault as well?
Oh, yeah.
And what about the 2010 one? Mr. Walls?
That's correct. That's unfortunately, Ms. Johnson does have a history of violence. It's their third domestic violence incident. They all involve Mr. Johnson here and alcohol. She's currently on an SOC for the prior one. I believe we were here in June, and she was having difficulty maintaining her treatment compliance. The prior incident, we did issue a TAD order. I think, let me check the order history. I don't believe we issued a no contact order in the last case. I think we did just initially, and then it looks like it was recalled when she was in treatment. It's a difficult case because this occurred while she was supposed to be in treatment. And so it's unclear what it's going to take to have Ms. Johnson maintain sobriety. And without sobriety, a no contact order should be in place.
Reiterate, and actually, Mr. Wall hit it on the head. Certainly, there's probably some underlying tension in the relationship, but I think she can keep her impulses under control when she doesn't have when the filters aren't off as a result of being impaired on alcohol. Right now, she's got that ankle. Metaphorically speaking, she's got the training wheels she needs right now.
My concern is that it appears that this is a recurring pattern of domestic violence. And my concern also was that she is in treatment on the prior matter, and while in treatment and while being monitored, this alleged assault occurred. And I use alleged assault because it's not been proven beyond a reasonable doubt at this point. And so that is the difficulty. And right now, we have TAD sort of substituting for the treatment, in the sense that the treatment agency was supposed to be monitoring the alcohol. Now we have TAD doing it, which means that even though she knows she's being monitored, is it possible she can violate the order again? At this point, I'm leaving the domestic violence no contact order in, and I'm setting it for pretrial on 10/5 at 10 a.m. And we will see how we are in 30 days, and we will reconsider in 30 days. That's all I can tell you. But right now, I'm not going to do it because of where you are in recovery. If you are, and I don't know if you're back in treatment, I don't have a lot of information on that, but maybe something from that treatment provider can help, because right now, treatment hasn't been successful. What I don't want to happen, ma'am, and this is not because I like keeping people away from their significant others, it's because I don't want you in here doing this again. And that's the reason. And sir, I don't want you, if that's occurring, I don't want you to have to go through it again. So right now, we're going to keep the no contact order in effect, and we will see how we are in 30 days. So that's the order of the court. So I'm releasing you on the $1,000 posted amount. You are, the next date's 10/5 at 10 a.m. Make all court appearances, notify any address change, have no law violations, no alcohol or drugs during the pendency of this action, and no contact pursuant to the no contact order that was previously signed. Thank you. Benjamin Roberts. Can you hear me, sir? Mr. Roberts, your mute's on.
Can you hear me?
I can now.
Okay. Hi, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning.
And you are Benjamin Roberts?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what's your date of birth?
January 19, 1983.
And did you have the opportunity to hear the rights when I read them this morning?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand the rights?
Yes.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
No.
You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about January 4th, 2021 in Orting, Washington, you committed the crime of a violation of no contact order, domestic violence. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings here by way of probable cause is established based on the probable cause statement. It's previously established based on the probable cause statement. And are you currently employed, Mr. Roberts?
No, I'm not.
All right. And how are you surviving right now financially?
Unemployment, and I'm currently searching work and being enrolled into school. I'm
All
trying
right.
to get into the LCC welding program.
And how much are you making on unemployment right now?
I currently don't make anything. It expired.
Okay. I'm going to direct appoint the public defender to your case, and that's Mr. Rusnick. Anything regarding release, Mr. Wallace?
Your Honor, so this is on for warrant quash as well.
Yep.
He has warrant out of our case. He also has warrants out of Cowlitz District no contact order violation and a Kitsap District DUI. I believe he has a warrant quash date for the Cowlitz case. He also has pending felony in, I believe it's Cowlitz County, or in Cowlitz County Superior Court. He has two earlier felony violations. He has a large history of domestic violence. I think I counted 12 priors. The felony case did indicate that he was in treatment, and I would note that he lives in Kelso. It's difficult at this point for the city to agree to or recommend that the warrant be recalled, as it seems like a case that bail should be set in. I am not sure what
Can I say
conditions
something,
of
Your Honor?
release, what conditions of release there are on the felony, but he appears to be in violation. And this is from January. The warrant's been out since February, so I'm not sure what the release conditions are on the felony.
Can I speak?
Yes.
Your Honor, I was arrested in Orting, and I was transferred to the Pierce County Superior Court. Before my court date, I was told no charges are filed. You're being released. I was released. I have two pending matters for felony matters in Cowlitz County. I'm accepting mental health court, and I'm signing into that this week. And so the DV warrant that he's talking about, that warrant is because I was in inpatient treatment at ABHS Chehalis, and I have the certificate. And so that warrant will be quashed. The DUI warrant is from 2 years ago. And when the pandemic first started, I was working at the mill and couldn't get my Zoom to work. But that warrant's in the process of being quashed too, as I signed into mental health court in Cowlitz County.
Your Honor, Mr. Roberts?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
Your Honor, Mr. Walls' concerns are noted, but Mr. Roberts has made some good points. The court's inclined to do something affirmative in that nature. I would ask the court to make an appearance bond, ask him to give him a week to post that appearance bond vis-a-vis actual bail. That way he doesn't have the actual immediate threat of jail hanging over his head. And if he's for real, what he's saying is legitimate, he's in or comply, he can post an appearance bond and still remain out of custody and do what he needs to do. In his other cases. I'm sorry.
As I've indicated, I'm going to direct appoint Mr. Rusnick. At this point, I think that there are safeguards in the sense that you are taking mental health court in Cowlitz County. I do want information regarding that next time you are in front of me. So if you could have that information, get it to the court. I am going to, at this time, because of the logistics of it all, I am going to release you on your own personal recognizance today. However, I am going to require that you have make all court appearances from now on, notify any address change, have no law violations, have no alcohol or drugs during the pendency of this action, and I'm requiring that you quash all warrants in all other jurisdictions. So you need to contact those courts to make sure you can get those warrants quashed, okay?
They're in the process of, I'm in the process of doing that now, Your Honor.
And you are also required to follow all protection orders and no contact orders in effect. You understand that, sir?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. But I just have one question. When I was released out of the Pierce County Jail, they told me there was no charges filed.
That was Pierce County didn't file it. Orting filed it.
Okay, I'm just curious. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Orting has its own separate jurisdiction, and they elected to file the charge.
Just so there's no ambiguity, he can, physically.
No, I mean he has to appear in the court. I don't
Personally, physically in court?
No.
No, but okay, I just wanted to make sure there wasn't any.
Unless we don't have Zoom, but I'm assuming we will.
Yeah.
Or Apple.
Understood. Thank you.
Blue Jeans, whatever this one is.
Thank you.
Blue Jean.
All right, so sir, we're going to have a hearing, and we should still have the app up at that point. We're going to see you on 10/5/2021. Have no criminal law violations, and follow all the requirements of your mental health court.
Yes, Your Honor.
That is through Cowlitz County, correct?
Yes, sir.
That's Judge Hayes down there?
You know, I know Judge
Okay.
Hahn, Judge Hahn.
All right. I have done that, sir. You have a bit of a break today in that we did quash the warrant today. But any further violations, we will put a warrant out. Okay? I want you to comply. Do I have your current address? What is it?
Oh, yes, it's 1208 North Minor Road, Kelso, Washington, 98626.
All right. Thank you. We'll send you a notice. And
Yes.
and did you want to contact information, Mr. Rusnick?
Just the phone number is fine.
Can you tell your phone number to Mr. Rusnick so he can write it down, the public defender?
Yes, 360-562-1014.
Thank you.
Dylan Stiles?
Hand it up to
Good morning.
Morning.
All right. And you are Dylan Stiles?
Yes, sir.
And what is your date of birth?
2995.
And you had the opportunity to review the statement of defendant's rights this morning?
Yes.
Did you understand those rights?
Yep.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
No, sir.
All right. You're charged by the city of Orting that on or about, it looks like August 20th, 2021 in Orting, Washington, committed a crime of theft in the third degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby way of probable cause is established based on the probable cause statement. I am going to release you on your own personal cognizance. The conditions of release are making all court appearances. The next one's going to be 10/5/2021 at 10 a.m. Make all court appearances, notify of any address changes, have no law violations, and have no contact with Safeway. You understand those conditions?
Yes, sir.
What is your current address?
19506 190th Avenue East. Orting,
Okay, hold on. Let's go slower.
Okay, sorry. 19506 190th Avenue East, Orting, Washington, 98360. But that's not my mailing address. We have a P.O. box, so I don't know.
Okay, what's your mailing?
My P.O. box is 2163, Orting, Washington, Post Office.
All right.
I'm sorry, did you appoint counsel?
I have not asked that question yet. Are you currently employed, sir?
Yes.
Where are you employed?
Rainier School in Buckley.
Okay, and do you make over $1,500 a month?
Yes.
All right. You do not qualify for a public defender at this point, but this is a misdemeanor that carries, I believe this is a 1 year.
That's correct.
A gross misdemeanor carries a possible 1 year in jail or 364 days in jail and $5,000 fine. So I do want you to consult an attorney. Okay? Thank you. And let's see who else showed up on the morning. Let's see, Dondre Blackwell, Derek Garrett, Mandel Johnson. Did somebody say here? Julian Palacio Romero. All right, that is that calendar. I will go ahead and call the 9:30 calendar. Please answer if your name is called. Megan Anderson.
That will be an agreed order.
Okay. And then how about Bloom?
That's Mr. Duenhalter. I don't think he's quite arrived.
All right. Trayvon Carter. Kelly Cusino. Thomas Finney. Marion Graff. The next one is a Mucklestone, Jeannie Mucklestone. It's Zachary Hobart.
That will
What is that?
That will be an agreed order.
And how about Jackson Miller?
That is Mr. Duenhalter. We are waiting for him.
And then Taylor Miller.
That will be an agreed order.
And Ivan Quintana Barragon. Oh, good morning.
Interpreter present, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good
Thank
morning.
you.
Sure. Thank you.
We'll take that one next, ma'am. We're just going to go through the calendar and we'll take that one and get you on your way, okay?
Not a problem, Your Honor. I have plenty of time. Thank you.
Jonathan Thompson. Theodore Wall.
Here.
Good morning.
Morning.
Jeffrey Williams. I see you on there.
Here.
Thank you. Good morning.
Here.
All right, let's go ahead and...
And Jonathan Thompson is Mr. Harbison's case. I think he's planning on being here at 10.
All right, so Yvonne Quintana Barragan, please come forward. We have an interpreter. We have an interpreter here.
Buenos días, señor Iván Quintana Barragán. Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, this is Laura Gutierrez. I'm a Washington State Certified Spanish Interpreter. I'm permanently sworn and my oath is on file with AOC. Buenos días, señor Barragán. Laura Gutierrez, intérprete certificada por el Estado de Washington con juramento en archivo en los tribunales.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Yes.
And, Your Honor, this is on for mitigation. I do note that one of the infractions is no valid license. I do see he is now licensed.
Thank you.
Señoría, esto está para una mitigación. Noto que una de las infracciones es no poseer una licencia válida y actualmente él tiene su licencia válida. Gracias, indica su señoría.
Good morning, sir. It appears that these are your first 3 tickets.
Buenos días, señor. Go ahead, Your Honor. Sorry.
No, go ahead.
Buenos días, señor. Parece ser que estos son sus primeras 3 infracciones.
So at this point, I'm going to do what we call a deferred finding.
En este punto lo que haré se llama un fallo diferido.
What that means is that if you have no tickets for 6 months, pay $175, I will dismiss these cases.
Lo que eso significa es que si usted no tiene ningún parte o ticket en un plazo de 6 meses y paga $175, yo desestimaré estos partes.
Do you understand, sir?
¿Entiende, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, sir. So $175, no tickets, 6 months. The cases are going to be dismissed. It won't be on your record. Okay?
Muy bien, señor. Entonces, $175 de pago, no ticket o parte en 6 meses, los partes serán desestimados, o sea que no entrarán a formar parte de su récord de manejo. ¿Está claro?
Sí.
All right. Thank you
Yes.
very much, sir. Have a good day. You can pay today or you can pay overtime.
Muchas gracias, señor. Que tenga muy buen día. Puede pagar hoy o puede pagar a plazos.
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
Have a good day.
Gracias.
Thank
Que
you.
tenga buen día.
You are also, I think that's your only matter today, right?
Your Honor, no, Your Honor, Palacio Romero Julian, there was an arraignment.
Yes. And so far, that person has not appeared. And it is now 9:35. Mr. Waltz, have you had any information from Julian Palacios Romero?
I have not.
And that's an arraignment on a failure to transfer and no valid operator's license. All right. Laura, we're going to go ahead and wait 10 minutes. That'll give him an hour. And if it doesn't show then you're free to go. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm happy
All right.
to wait. Okay,
thank you. And are you ready on Mr. Wall, Mr. Rusnick?
Yes.
All right, Theodore Wall.
Here. Yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
And Mr. Rusnick is here, and Mr. Walls is here. And what are we here for?
Yeah, this is a review for anger management.
Mr. Wall, can you tell us what the status of anger management level 2 classes are?
Okay, the status of it is I paid for the intake, I filled out the paperwork, and because I've done it so late because of financial problems and trying to find a place that would take me, other places cost like $200 for intake.
Okay. And so
And
are you in a program now?
I will have an intake on September 27th. Then after that, it should be whenever their next available class is.
All right. Mr. Walls,
And I
should we
paid
set this for October
$100.
5th?
That's fine.
What we're going to do is set this over for October 5th to see your compliance. If you're in the class at that point, that'd be fine. I don't know of any other issues at this point, Mr. Rusnick.
Your Honor, it is for 6 weeks only because he's getting the intake at that point. He's probably not going to have much to show you.
Well, if he's done the intake, though, is what I want to see because the class can be, I think it's a 10-week class in level 2, correct? So I want to make sure he's got the intake, and I want to get that done. So we're going to set this up.
An hour a week for 4 months.
Okay. And like I said, what we're going to do is we are going to see what the intake tells us. Okay? So we'll see you October 5th. And is your address changed?
Nope.
All right. You're still at the State Route 162 address?
Yes.
All right. We will send this notice. Thank you.
Okay. Have a great day. Bye.
All right. Jeffrey Williams. Mr. Williams, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Morning.
And let's see what we hear on Mr. Williams. So I do have a August 28th, 2021 notice of completion to inform you that Mr. Williams has completed all requirements as a level 3 52-week domestic violence intimate partner treatment program. Prognosis is good and wish him well in all of his endeavors. Is that what we are here for?
I believe that is what we're here for.
Yes, sir.
And we have no law violations.
Nope. I'm a changed
Right.
man, Your Honor.
Good. That means you don't have to come see me.
Not for trouble.
All right, Mr. Walls, any other issues?
None that I'm aware of.
I'm going to find you're in full compliance, Mr. Williams. You're free to go. Thank you. Good job.
You. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
All right. We are in Recovery Cafe. You're here. I keep forgetting to have your entries. We have quite a few people on the monitors. So if you want to come up here and stand and to tell who you are. Yeah, probably looking at the big camera there because then people can see you.
Can't hear anything.
Let's go ahead and stand next to this over here and turn that mic towards you. Thank you.
Stand here?
Yes, go ahead and turn that a little bit.
Sorry. Hi. Hello.
Yeah,
Okay, so I'm just letting you know, Nika Petrov, I'm here.
Okay. All right. We haven't called that yet. I'm letting this person speak, please. Thank you.
Hi,
Okay,
I'm Rena Thompson with Recovery Cafe Orting Valley. We are here in Orting. We are for anybody in recovery from any life challenge, which is all of us. We offer recovery support, individual support, group support, and lots of coffee. So if there's a time that you find yourself needing some extra support, we're here for you. We also, if the judge orders community service, we also are a local place for that. And I'm here. If you need to talk to me after you here in the courtroom are done, then we can go out in the hallway. But if you're on the Blue Jeans app, just give us a call, or you can look us up online. We're on Facebook, and we have a website, and get our email from there.
All right, thank you. Mr. Harbison, is Mr. Thompson with you?
Honor, I don't see him on Zoom either, but I think he's back in compliance with his SOC.
Yeah, Mr. Thompson's. Well, I have him completing the minor possession class, but that was back on 5/15. What other requirements was he supposed to show today, Mr. Walls?
Here was the community service, Your Honor. I checked the court docket. Looks like he filed some proof of community service.
I have one on 3/1/2021 where he did 12 hours. And then he did 5.5 on 8/2. And let's see. And how many was the total? He's supposed to have 20 hours. And I have, looks like 12 and 5.5. Plus 2.5. I have another one.
Oh.
So it's 12, 13, 14.5, and 5.5. So that's 20. Two of them are at the Orting Food Bank, and the other one is at Food Bank. Apparently it's a Graham Food Bank. So I do have 20 hours community service.
And there was an ADI that's required. I think it was previously submitted.
He has a certificate of completion of minor in possession, drug and alcohol awareness class.
That will work.
I think that satisfies that part.
And he paid the cost, and I think we're at the end, so the same as to dismiss.
All right. All right. The matter of Jonathan W. Thompson, 72080-5357, is dismissed on the motion of the plaintiff because of compliance with the SOC. All right. So that matter is done.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. And the next calendar, I'll go ahead and give it a start since we have a few people here. Please answer if your name is called. Jeffrey Bright.
Your Honor, counsel's present on that. I believe that's scheduled for 10 a.m. He's not yet on the phone call.
It is. I indicated I'm calling it early.
Oh, okay.
And then Kendra Bukovac. Ms. Gutierrez, you're free to go. We don't have Mr. Palacio here, so thank you for your time today.
Thank you. Have a wonderful week.
You too. Mackenzie Clay. Katharina Davis. I do see you online. Good morning.
Good morning.
And good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Paul Douglas, I see you're online. Good morning.
Good morning.
Heather Gilroy. Colton Hess.
Council's present.
Cameron Hook. Morris Janika. I do see you online. Good morning. Danny Conway.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is that Mr. Conway, or is your counsel with you? See him yet? All right. Aaron Keller. And Nico Kelman. I know that Mrs. Kelman is here. Stephen Livinggood.
Here with counsel, Your Honor.
Good morning. Lance Monago. Sandra McCall. Christina McGill. David Mosseri. Nicole Olson. Good morning. Steve Pendley. Nika Petrov. Jacob Pignotti. Jose Plata Monreal. Casey Stanifer. Good morning. Willard Stewart. Good morning. Melanie Thomas. I see you online. Good morning. Allison Walker.
Yes, here.
Good morning. All right. So the ones we called, or do you need to be sent?
Your Honor, I can do also.
All right. All right, Ms. Olson, there is a request for a continuance to 10/19 at 10 a.m. Means you're willing to waive your right to speedy trial to that time, and you've signed this order. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning. Have a good day. You're free to go.
Good morning. Thank you.
Did you need a copy of this?
Yes, please.
No, we had one where counsel was with his client here. I don't know if you've had a chance to talk to the attorney. That was... And Mr. Stender, you're here, the one here with Mr. Livinggood, correct?
Thank you, Your Honor. Scott McGinty, I'm standing in for Mr. Stender.
What was your name?
Scott McGinty, I'm standing in for Mr. Stender. I believe that there was a continuance that was stipulated to.
That's correct, Your Honor. I have that. Let me just, I will forward it to the court, but Mr. But the attorney was in court, is in trial in another case. We were agreeing to set this over a month.
All right.
He did a speedy trial waiver, and I just need to find it.
So it's a agreed continuance with a waiver?
That's my understanding, Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And as soon as he sends it, we'll print that out and get counsel out of here. He hasn't sent it yet, he said. Oh, yay. Who's that?
Your Honor, may I be my permission to?
Yes. It looks like it. Speaking, Mr. Right. That's the 3 o'clock one?
Yes.
Just a second. Yeah, we'll go ahead and go off for it. I need to speak with Mr. Wells. Just have Devin put you in the room if you do. We're at recess.
All right.
Good morning, Mr. Walls.
Walls on the living good matter.
Yes.
I have the agreed motion order, but it doesn't tell me the date you.
Oh, if we just do 30 days.
Who is standing in for Mr. Stender?
I am, Your Honor. Scott McGinty.
Mr. McGinty, I'm going to change the waiver because we're setting this over for October 5th to waive through December 5th. So I'm going to put the new commencement date on October 5th. And the hearing's going to be October 5th at 10 a.m., okay?
I will notify Mr. Stender. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, that case is signed. That matter signed. You're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. I assume y'all aren't ready on any matters. All right, I'm going to head back out, sit.
I will be ready.
Back in.